As your business grows, you may want to increase your infrastructure's resources. Expanding a Nutanix cluster allows you to add more capacity and performance with more storage, memory, and CPUs. This can be done by adding a new disk to a free slot in a node or adding a new node. The proper procedure involves adding the new physical disk or node, formatting and joining them, and verifying the health and functionality of the node and cluster. Now install the disk or node following the instructions for your specific hardware. Once the new disks are in place, go to the Prism Element hardware dashboard and change the view to diagram. Select each unmounted disk which appear as red, then click Partition and Add and then proceed. The cluster will format and add the new disks to the storage pool. The cluster will begin adding data onto each new disk. Finally, run an NCC health check to verify that the cluster is healthy and the new disks are functioning properly. To expand a cluster using a new node, you must image it using Foundation. The standalone Foundation tool is available for download on the Nutanix support portal. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.